Today, a lot of people, on a lighter note, are afraid of Sambisa. But for the Igbo man, Sambisa is a business opportunity. So that it is. It will be preposterous for me not to add my voice to that clamor. However, the question of Nigerian president of Southeast extraction is a national question that requires negotiation, discussion, and conversation with all parts of this country. And I am least qualified to determine what happens in 2023. I will also want to spend my time supporting the incumbent president to do his time and do his best while we wait for what happens to begin to unfold. So these are my views about the presidency. Security situation in my state, Abia, is calm and quiet. Perhaps the safest state in Nigeria, certainly the safest state in the southeast, and the statistics are there to show. I give God the glory. I give the security agencies in my state the glory. And we are determined to make sure that the remaining holidays run up to January 2022 will remain as quiet as it has been. We have so many visitors coming from all over the world. Those who couldn't make it home during the COVID years of 2020 are back. And they are happy with what they have seen, and I thank God that is so. I hope it will continue like that even in the days ahead.